chassis slap though. Way too many kids around me, dude. I'm just gonna friggin' send it and get out of here.
Bombardino crocodilo.
Alright, so I didn't get a chance to run this buggy as hard as I wanted to today. When I got to the park, basically I was just doing some warm-up laps for a little while, and that's what the footage I uploaded was of, basically just warm-up laps. So once I got really used to the buggy and I wanted to increase speeds and send it, harder, of course, everybody and the grandma started BMXing and skating around me. So I kind of got isolated in a corner, and I was like, man, let me leave before I hit someone's kid and they end up in the hospital. So I sent it a couple times, and that was it. Buggy held up well. Not sure how I feel about these metal skid plates. I was hoping they would spark a little bit more, but they don't do it too much. They do cause the chassis to slap hard, and I experienced some electronic issues when they hit. And so I don't know if I'm gonna be running these. Might just run nothing and replace those factory skid guards as they wear down. But overall, not too bad. Tires took a hit, as you can see. They all deglued in the front. I don't blame them. I was driving on concrete, and I'm pretty sure these tires are, meant for loose terrain. They are very grippy, so I'm not surprised, they got deglued. Nothing against them. They're awesome tires, and, I just got to run them in the proper setting, and that's that. So if you guys got any entertainment from today, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.